I'll admit it, I really miss the days of the OG liquid matte lipstick. So think Lip Suede from NYX, or the Revolution, Makeup Revolution Mousse Matte Lip, or the Dose of Colors. Like, think that. I miss those. And so if you're like me but can't seem to quite wrap your head around the crusty dry lips that came with it, I have a secret for you. I feel like it's not really a secret, but no one really talks about these, and I'm not entirely certain why, because they're so pretty. Have you guys tried the ABH lip velvets? They're $25, and these are legitimately so good. I have 3 shades because I bought one and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good. Let me just try one on for you so you can see why I'm so obsessed with these. These are really, really, really long lasting. They're a matte lip, but they stay moist. I said it. Okay, that was a horrible application. That was because I'm trying to use my wayfinder. These really do last, and although they're a matte liquid lip, and they're very, very long lasting, they don't have the same feel as the OG matte liquid lips had. Like, they're not completely transfer proof. Like, if you think of the matte lipsticks from NYX or something, this would never happen with those. They stayed. But these last the same amount of time. You can reapply them without getting like the crumbly bits that you used to get with a regular matte liquid lip. And if you press your lips together, you can actually like, and it doesn't feel like your lips are like, I can't even describe the feeling, but it doesn't feel like that. I cannot recommend these enough. It was the YouTuber Angeshka. She made this recommendation and I was like, oh my gosh. Like, when I think the first color I bought was this color. And when I first tried it, I cannot tell you how thrilled I was. Like, again, not transfer proof, but so long lasting that I like truly am like, why didn't I try these sooner? I mean, really the reason is because the formula of matte liquid lips, that like tackiness, but almost like crustiness that your lips get when you wear them, these are nothing like this. They feel so, so good. These came out a while ago. I swear they came out last year or the year before that, but they're so good. And honestly, $24, it's really not as bad as it could be. Like, would probably pay more for these. Don't tell ABH. Because I don't want to pay more, but I probably would pay more. So again, if you're like me and you miss the days of the OG matte liquid lip, I think they only have 12 colors, but still they have 12 colors. And I only have 3, and I feel like these are really, really well rounded. I actually wore, I'm getting distracted, but I wore this color. So it's the one I'm wearing right now. It's the cool brown shade. I wore this color the other day and I put just a little bit of like concealer in the middle for like a brighter center. I would have thought that would have like messed with the formula and made it not great. Still perfect. I will say these are a little bit moussey. See, I've had these on for like 4 minutes. You can still kind of, and like I said, not transfer proof, more transfer proof than some. Like, that's not bad. Just, this can't be overstated. If you've been missing the matte liquid lip, but you just kind of grew out of that formula, these are so good. They are so, 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 so good. That's all. Bye.